So here we have this project. It's a virgin ponytail, sourced right here in Europe, which means fine, soft European hair. The goal is a light, cool blonde, highlighted and natural looking. That means we'll need to bleach the ponytail first, and then blend it with the natural part. So now we're going to bleach a test strand, just to make sure the ponytail can handle the full process. And here are the stages of bleaching. The full lightening will take several hours. I won't mention exact timing here, but we can provide details upon request or consultation. What matters is that the process is calm, gradual, and safe, even for the most delicate hair types. In the next part, we'll show the lightening process all the way to a clean platinum, followed by the final blending into the desired shade.